In this exercise, we will learn the red eye tool. Basically, the red eye tool is used to remove red eyes caused by a camera flash. The red eye tool actually will detect eyes automatically and remove the red color light in the eyes. Okay, let's see how that will work. I've opened an image that has a little red circle flash in the eyes, just for demonstration purposes to see how this tool will work with this type of image effect. Okay, now if I right-click on the Spot Healing Brush tool, we can see the red eye tool under the Content Aware Move tool. Or we can also press Shift and J to select this tool. Okay, now I've selected this tool. Click here and drag around the red eye shape and release. Boom! Very fast and nice work. And we see the red eye is perfectly removed. Okay, now we have its control options. We can increase the pupil size and darken amount if the red eyes are in a large scale effect. This is an amazing tool for retouching eye images. Okay, in the next exercise we will learn the brush tool.